Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the American Express Platinum Card. First, it is important to understand the general requirements. American Express typically looks for applicants with an excellent credit score, often above 750. You will also need a strong financial history and a stable income to demonstrate your ability to manage the card's benefits and responsibilities. Make sure you are at least 18 years old and a United States resident. Once you feel ready, the application process is straightforward. You should apply directly online through the official American Express website. Be sure to accurately provide all your personal and financial information, including your income and employment details. American Express will conduct a comprehensive credit check as part of the application review, which helps them assess your creditworthiness. This step is crucial for their decision-making process. The American Express Platinum Card comes with a host of premium benefits, especially for travelers. You can enjoy extensive airport lounge access, including Centurion lounges and Priority Pass. However, it is important to be aware of the significant annual fee, which is often over $600. Despite this, the card offers numerous statement credits for services like digital entertainment, Uber, and airline fees, providing substantial value. To truly maximize the value of your Platinum Card, strategically utilize all the available statement credits. These can significantly offset the annual fee, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars each year. Make sure to take full advantage of the travel perks, such as complimentary airport lounge access and hotel elite status. Finally, explore the Membership Rewards Points program for valuable redemptions on travel, merchandise, or statement credits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.